Wait, humans assigning colors to knives now. Primitive queen open box expecting normal kitchen tools.
No.
Modern humans create rainbow food weapon system. One knife green, one knife red, one knife blue. Primitive queen feel like cooking inside kindergarten battlefield. Apparently color coding helps humans remember which knife used for what food.
Wait.
So, humans accidentally contaminate chicken enough times they invent rainbow safety system. Honestly fair. Primitive queen actually impressed. Because primitive queen once cut fruit immediately after fish, and entire tribe emotionally suffered. This set come with 6 different knives, blade guards, and anti-rust coating. Very adult, very organized, suspiciously responsible, and the blade guards honestly satisfying. Primitive queen love tiny protective knife pajamas. Also dishwasher safe. Important because primitive queen refuse hand washing 17 kitchen items every night like exhausted medieval servant. The knives themselves actually pretty sharp too. Primitive queen sliced tomato so smoothly primitive queen briefly feel like cooking influencer with marble countertop and herb garden. Dangerous confidence. And because each knife different color, kitchen instantly feel more aesthetic. Human females absolutely love aesthetic. Cannot just cook food normally anymore. Need vibes. Primitive queen slowly infected by this mindset too. Now primitive queen want matching cutting boards and tiny ceramic salt bowl for no reason. Very concerning evolution. Only criticism? If tribe barely cook and mostly survive on frozen nuggets and emotional support snacks, maybe 6 knives unnecessary. 1 solid knife probably enough for survival. But if tribe cook often, meal prep, or constantly forget which knife touched raw meat. This actually smart little set. Primitive queen shocked by practicality today. No fake drama. No unnecessary technology. Just colorful sharp objects doing job correctly. Modern civilization, occasionally useful. Overall verdict?
Cute.
Functional. Organized. Primitive queen unexpectedly approve rainbow knife system. Amazon link below if tribe want aesthetic kitchen warrior energy too. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive queens before primitive queen starts labeling pantry jars voluntarily.